Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 8 again. So today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 2, System of Real Numbers, Exponents and Radical. This is your revision lecture and I am your math teacher, Ms. Falak Naz. So what we are going to review today, first we are going to review some important questions from exercise number 2.8 and then we are going to review some questions from exercise number 4.10 as well, right? So two different exercises, one from arithmetic and one from algebra, right? So let's start from 2.8 and the question from 2.8 is what you have, just a minute, I can't see, simplify. Okay, now the question is simplify, just a minute. Okay. Okay, now the question is simplify. And now the what the question? Here you have an example which is p raised to the power l divided by p raised to the power m. Okay, and it has whole power which is l plus m. Right. Multiply by p raised to the power m divided by p raised to the power n, and it has whole power which is m plus n. Multiply by p raised to the power n divided by p raised to the power l, and it has whole power which is n plus n, and you have to simplify it. Means what you have here, power of the power. Okay, now look at here. First you are going to apply, just a minute. Okay, now look at here. What you have here, as you can see, PL divided by PM. Now, as you can see, the bases are same. Okay, P is the base here, P is the base here, and L and M are their exponents. Okay, so here you have same bases. Okay, and they are dividing with each other. So what you will do if the bases are same? So what you will do, simply subtract their powers. Remember, if the bases are same and they are multiplying with each other, just suppose you have P dot P and here you have L and M. So if the bases are same and they are multiplying, so simply what you will do, you will add their power. That will be P is equals to L plus M. Right. Now, what is the criteria for division? If the bases are same and they are multiplying with each other, so what you will do, you will subtract their power. So what you will do, you will take your same base, you will write it like this, you will write P only one time, and then you will subtract the power. That will be, it will become L minus M, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to write it down in this form. Now, what we have here, we have taken the same base, which is P, and then their powers will be subtracted. Which power? This power. This is my M. No? So when you are going to shift it towards upward, so it will become minus M. So you will write P L minus M, and it has whole power, which is L plus M. Multiply by, again here you will repeat the same criteria, same base, which is P is the same base, and then you are shifting N towards the upside, so it will be M minus N, right? And it has whole power, which is M plus N, right? Next is you have P N divided by PL. So again you will take your same base, which is P and N as it is, but when you are going to shift this L upward, so it will become minus L, and it has whole power, which is N plus L. Okay, now look at here what you have. Basically here you have power and power. So when you have power to the power, so what you will do, you will simply multiply the powers, right? If you have power to the power, so simply you will multiply the powers. How you will multiply it? Simply you will write it down in this form. Which form? In this form. P will remain same and this power is going to multiply it with this one. So inside the bracket you will write L minus M multiplied by L plus M, then multiply by P, then this power M minus N bracket M plus N, right? And then multiply by P and this power N minus L and N plus L. So you will multiply them together. So inside the bracket you will write it down N minus L and N plus L. Understand? Is it clear? Now, as you can see here, what you have here, L minus M and L plus M, m minus n, m plus n minus n, l plus n. So here you can apply a formula which is this one, which is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b, right? A minus b, a plus b. Understand? Clear? Now, here you have, this will be your term a and this is b. Okay, this will be term a, this is term b, this will be term a and this is term b. So what you will do, you will enclose this whole thing into this formula, which is a square minus b square. So what you will do, you will write it down in d square in this form, that is same base, which is p. Now you are enclosed it this thing into this formula, so it will become l square minus m square, because here you have to take the square of term a and term b. So it will be L square minus M square multiply by, again here you have M minus N, M plus N. So you will write M square minus N square, right? And then last one, which is this one, P N square minus L square, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please tell me, is it clear? Please tell me, is it clear? Okay, now next what we will do, as you can see here, powers are same basis, okay? Same basis and they are multiplying with each other. Same basis and they are multiplying with each other. Okay, as you can see, the same base, which is P, okay? Same base here is P and same base here, which is P, and they are multiplying with each other. So when you have same base and they are multiplying with each other, so what you will do, you will simply add the powers, okay? What you will do, simply add their powers. So how will you write it down? By taking the same base. Now what is your same base here? That is, this is P. So you will write it down P only one time. And now simply add all these powers. So this is 1, 1. So you will write L square minus M square, bracket close, then plus sign. Here m square minus n square, which is this one, then plus sign, and then n square minus l square. Okay, now you will simply add these powers, right? Now what you will do, if you have the plus sign, so you have to open the brackets. So simply, how will you open the bracket? If you have plus sign, so inside the sign bracket no sign will be changed. So simply you will open it with the help of the sign, so it will remain same, that is L square minus M square plus M square minus N square plus N square minus L square. Now simply you will cancel it. Now what other things are cancelling here? Look at here, this is plus L square. So plus L square and minus L square, it will be cancelled, right? Then this is minus M square and plus M square, it will cancel, minus n square and plus n square. So what will be left here? Only p raised to the power 0, and this whole thing will be equals to 1. So this will be your answer. Very simple and very easy question. Now please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now move on to the next question. 4.10 question is, find the product with the help of formula. Now here you have to find out the product, but here you will wait to apply the formula. Now what is the question here? Look at this question. P plus Q minus 2R, okay, and P square plus Q square plus 4R square minus PQ plus 2QR plus 2RP. So you have to find out the product of this question, okay? So if you are going to see here, we have three terms, term A, B and C. So what formula can be applied here? This formula. What is it? A plus B plus C is multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. How many of you remember this formula? Please tell me. Abdul Rahman, रिवीजन वर्कशीट्स को सॉल्व कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए फॉर फाइनल एग्जाम्स. Now, please tell me how many of you remember this formula? Write down in the chat box. Everyone, hurry up. No. Please reply, everyone. Students, how many of you remember this formula? Abdul Rahman? Okay, now what is the formula? A, actually this one, this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus C A B C. This whole term is equals to basically this thing. Okay, now this thing is given to you. This is P, Q and R. So here we have to decide what is A, B and C. Now here A is equals to P, B is equals to Q and C is equals to minus 2R. Okay, minus 2R, because in formula we have. Okay, now this is your classwork. So what you have to do, you have to attempt exercise number 2.7 question number 8 and attempt exercise number 4.10 question number 5. No, no Zimil, no. Okay, now start your work and please turn the cameras on so that I can see what are you doing. Yes, Zimil. 2.7 question number 8. Yes. First write down simplify. Ishal, first write down the question which is simplify. Hurry up. Everyone, please turn on the camera so that I can see your work. Fatma, Mariam. Hmm. Very good. Hmm. Very good. M minus N. M minus N. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Now multiply power with the power. Very good. Very good. Visible, where is the camera? May I put you in waiting room? Maida and Zimil, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Ahad, Mariam, Hamza. Hurry up. Maida, I can't see you. Okay, fine. Very good. Yes, Maida, please write it down in the chat box. Yes, Maida. Yes, Maida. Very good. Right. Hmm. Good. Hmm. माइनस एम और एल स्क्वायर को कैंसिल कीजिए. 1. Answer will be 1. Very good. What about other students? Have you done? Please show your work. Please show your work. Hurry up. Beta, please show your work. How can I check your work? Okay, madam, I'm checking your work. Just a minute. Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, why you put comma here? This one. Hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. Now next one. Mariam. Hurry up. मेरा वीडियोस ऑन कीजिए. Okay. Fatma, I'm going to check your work. Fatma, I can't see you. Hmm. L whole cube. Hmm. M whole cube plus minus 2n whole cube. Hmm. Hmm. Plus ऐसे ही रहेगा. Yes, copy down plus. Now take the cube inside the bracket. Minus 8n cube. Hmm. Hmm. This will be, look at here. This will be minus minus plus. Okay, very good. Now please, other students, please show your work. Okay, Maida, I'm checking your work. Okay. Any other student? Fatma? Fatma, I can't see you. Abdul Rahman? Beta, please. Zimel? Mariam? Abdul Ahad? I'm going to put you all in waiting room. If you are not replying, okay, Mariam, if you are not well, so what should I do, beta? Zimel, I can't see you, beta. No, Zimel. I'm going to check again. No. Just a minute. Zimel, we can only see a black screen, nothing else. Zimel, if your camera is on, we are still seeing only black screen, nothing else. And Abdul Rahman, please show your proper work. Abdul Rahman, show your proper work. What is this? Where is your work? You are still doing this question. Oh my God, what you have done here? You just did it directly, right? No formula, no steps. What is this, beta? What is this? What is this? Where are the steps? Fatma, we can't see you, beta. Okay, Meda, it is good. Very good, Meda. Okay, Fatma, please show your work. Fauzia, Hamza, Mushtaba, how can I see that what you have done? Zimil, still waiting for your camera. Okay, at which question are you? Why it is not working, Zimil? Okay. Fatma, but I can't see anything. I can't see anything, only a black screen, Fatma. Now, everyone, do 4.10 question number 6 as well. Question number 6 is this one. Yes. Very good. Good. Plus 8 zx. Now, you will write down the formula. A plus B plus C is equals to A square plus B square plus C square AB minus BC minus CA is equals to AQ plus PQ plus CQ 3ABC. Now here you have to decide which is A, B and C. A is equals to 2x, B is equals to minus 3y and C is equals to minus 4z. Very good. Now put the value. Simply copy down the question again. Yes. 2x minus minus 3y plus minus 4z curly bracket, and it will remain same, that is 4x square plus 9y square. The time is almost over. Very good. Is equals to a cube, yes, 2x whole cube plus minus 3y whole cube plus minus 4z whole cube minus, yes, 3 a, yes, minus 3y and minus 4z. Very good, Maida. I'm going to check your work.